Hi, this is Cup of Kryptonite doing a junk journal with me. This is one that I'm doing that is when we went camping. One of the times we went camping with my nephew and my brother, and here I'm using. I just kind of cut off the top part of a sticky note that I just didn't need. And I love that this is some rainbow paper that I had made that I'm using. I'm actually doing it as a double side. And so I was having fun kind of just using the different, I was having fun using the Tim Holtz sprays and kind of just playing with those because that is totally fun on making those. I mean, now I've been through I'm still doing my coffee dyeing obsession, as anybody could tell, but because it's still pretty, but I'm trying to just get through everything so then I don't end up with, then I can just be done with it by the time that I'm done. And here we go. I found these are some little sticky notes that I got. Well, some of these I got from Daiso, and then others I got at Target. I'm like, because I think these ones I got at Daiso, and because we actually went, this one's at Wild River Campground, so we went and there's like a ski resort place where that I think it's called Wild Mountain, and you can go skiing nearby, or you could have, in the winter here, and then here we went swimming instead, because in the summer they have a whole pool set up and everything, which is cool. And so we went there and did that. My husband went on all those weird little slides and stuff, where I was like, no thanks, because that is so not my bag of chips, but my hubby loved it. And so did my nephew. And I loved getting to use this unicorn book page. It's from a unicorn book that I had coffee dyed. So I just kind of took and used some stuff to kind of use that, because I've been excited to use some of the pages that I actually coffee dyed. Then here's another Daiso page flag that I had gotten when I went to Seattle. And so I had fun using those, because we actually made a bird feeder when we were there, because there was a little class. And so I signed my nephew up for it and let him make a bird house. And he thought that was pretty fun. He thought it was goofy that he had to use safety glasses, though, and I'm like, Oh yeah, you're using safety goggles, alright. And then for the other little side parts, I wanted to put some of my Minion picks on, or not Minion picks, stickers, better stated, because I liked the fact that I could actually use some of them and they'd actually look cute and probably not entirely, get wrecked or not get wrecked, but just look ridiculous when, even though I know for some people that the Minion stuff is so not their thing, but I love Minions. They're like one of my favoriteest things ever. Oh, and just if the little flamingo, I got that from Tiny Little Tulip. There's a little freezing guy because there he was chilly. There we go. Let's see here. Put another chilly guy. There we go. But there we go. This is from when we went camping at Wild River. Oh, and also these stickers are from Reset Girl. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. You have a great day. Bye.